All right, greetings, my little darlings. Today, we are going to learn how to find ebooks and how to use them. And the fun part about this video is I don't like ebooks, so I don't use them. We're going to learn how to do this together. So you guys are going to get to see me mess up and start over and try again and figure all this out. I'm a physical print book person. I like turning pages. Let's find something on Schumann. No, we don't want Schumann and Bach. Piano, and throw a truncator on. Change the format. Because you don't want to get all this print stuff if you're not coming to the library. That would be stupid. And you don't want a video, you don't want music, you want something to read. You've been told, do a paper on Schumann. We're going to look at ebooks and we're going to click search. So you've got all these wonderful books to choose from. There's even one on Clara. Let's look at hers. She's fun. Oh, this is Nancy Reich's book. Okay, what you're going to do, we're going to click into ebook and it's at JSTOR. JSTOR is a wonderful thing. There we are. We're reading a book online. How cool is that? All right, so that is how you do ebooks with JSTOR. It's pretty easy. Let's try another one just for funsies. That's not JSTOR. Okay, here's another Clara, however we're saying it today. Okay, this one's a different ebook provider, so let's see what this one looks like. Look how pretty that cover is. Oh, this is like a children's book. Well, that's kind of neat. So probably not necessarily what you want for your paper about Clara Schumann, but still kind of a cool thing that we have access to. Let's look at a different one. Let's go back to our ebooks results. Here we go. Okay, so this one is a ProQuest, the complete correspondence. So this is going to be letters, which is always nice to have primary source material like that. Pay attention because it's translated. So, you know, if your German is good, go back to the original letters, of course. See, it looks kind of like the others. You can read it online. You can download it. You can download chapters. We're going to read it online. And we've got cover. Look at all this fun stuff you can do up here. You can download it, PDF it, you can highlight some things. So stuff that you wouldn't dare do to my actual books that live in this room, but you can do this on an online book and it's okay. I approve. This would be an excellent resource for you for a paper about Clara Schumann and even about Robert Schumann. That's basically how ebooks work, and I hope that this was very helpful to you. Shoot me a question if you have one about how these work. Like I said, I don't use them a whole lot, but it looks like it's pretty easy to do, not a big deal. If there's a problem with an ebook, we might have a vendor situation, so let me know if something doesn't work for you. And otherwise, hope this helped, and y'all have a good day. I'll see you for the next one.